The Dow showed us good evidence of when the uptrend was starting. This wasn't a reversal signal down here. It just told us there was going to be a bounce. Probably going to resist at the first resistance levels, which was either the moving averages or the trend channel along the top. However, we could identify that on the pullback, we were seeing the setup for a J-hook pattern. And notice how the J-hook pattern performed with kind of a doji supporting on the T-line, and then they gap it up through the resistance level, basically told us wave 1 and wave 3 were going to be approximately the same, which would be an immediate implication that this resistance level is not acting as resistance anymore. Now, just on the basis of when a uptrend starts with a gap up, telling you that everybody's very anxious to get into that trend, it also tells you when they gap up, especially in the overbought area, that you start watching for sell signals. This exuberance is illustrated by a big candle plus a gap up in the overbought condition. And if you measure this wave 1 and wave 3, they're approximately the same. So there's elements right now that show the candlestick investor that we're getting pretty close to a top. 1, because of the gap up in the overbought area. 2, because it's getting to be the same magnitude movement as wave 1. And 3, notice how far we are moving away from the T-line. It won't be unusual to see it do some profit taking, waiting for the T-line to catch up. Knowing this allows the candlestick investor to be prepared to be a little bit more diligent on each one of their bullish positions to see if there's any reversal signals about to occur. That alerts the candlestick investor to watch to see where there might be sell signals occurring, like in our recommendation of Western Digital. When it gapped up and broke out, where was the next likely target? Up here to the 200-day moving average. Gets up here and does a bearish left-right combo, resisting right at the 200. Tells us if it opens lower tomorrow, it's probably coming back to test the T-line, which means the market might be a little bit softer. It was time to take profits either today or on a weaker open tomorrow. On the bullish side, a gap works extremely well for getting into a position. As we can see on our recommendation on ZAGG, there's our doji gap up. That's your best friend signal. Name the best friend because not only is the probability that you're going to be in an uptrend, but you're going to be in a strong uptrend, and the frequency that you see these type of signals are strong enough that they would call it your best friend because it has all the elements of making for good profitable trading. The fact that they gapped it up above the 50 and right here at the resistance level, our criteria was if it opened positive today, you wanted to be buying immediately. Now what do we expect from here? A good 45-degree continued uptrend. Knowing what should occur at the important technical levels like the T-line at a resistance level, if we can see strong candlestick signals and patterns, it puts us in the situations where the probabilities are greatly in our favor that we're in not only in the right direction at the right time, but in situations where the high movement is based upon the strength of the signal itself. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.